PMC. The word PMC is Project Management Consultant. Project Management Consultant is an agency, coordinating agency between a developer and housing societies. PMC's role is to educate housing societies, developers' concerns. Also, a PMC has to stand by housing societies for their rights and the protection of the interest of housing society members against developer. So PMC plays a very crucial role, and PMC is architect. In PMC you can have architect, structural engineers, civil engineers, subject matter experts like plumbing, licensed plumber or elevation designer or design architect or legal expert and chartered accountant or financial experts. So all this group of individuals make one project management consultant. So their role is to smoothen the affair, because see, all members may not be having all the knowledge of legalities or architect's knowledge or structural engineer's knowledge. So that is the reason they should take the help of a PMC who will guide them in each subject in detail. What is the role of project management consultant in the redevelopment of housing societies? When we are going for a redevelopment, most of the, out of 100 people, 30 societies may have already gone for a redevelopment. 70 may still be waiting. So this is for those societies who are yet to start the procedure. First, PMC has to be appointed, and PMC's role is first and the foremost role is data collection. Data collection means conveyance deed, to understand and study the conveyance deed document, to get the latest PR card, property card and CTS plan, physical plot survey. They should carry out physical plot survey. Now the first three things I will make you understand in brief. All these three items, conveyance deed, property card, CTS plan and physical plot survey, they will give you the areas of your plot. Now many a times what happens, all these three items may have different areas also. We have to understand the project, we have to understand that layout, we have to understand that plot. You might have 1000 square meter conveyance, at the same time physical plot survey might be 900 and property card is showing 1000. So where is that 100 is gone? That PMC has to find out. The similar way, you can have on property card 900, on conveyance you can have 900 and physically you might have 1000. So we need to understand there are a lot of permutations, combinations. Why the area is smaller or bigger? Either there is an encroachment or is there any reservation or there is any setback on. We have to understand all these details, because the plot area, the final plot area is very, very important in your project. I will give you a lot of examples where societies have already gone ahead for a redevelopment, assuming that this is our area. For example, 1000 square meter is the area on the PR card, but physically they are having 950 square meters. Developer has signed the agreement, everything पेड़ा वेड़ा सब बांट के सब हो चुका है, agreement हो गया, खाली करने का टाइम आ गया, and आप खाली करने के टाइम पे IOD के टाइम 950 पे approval लिया. So then builder will tell the boss, you have given me wrong information, 1000 square meter, your plot is only 950. So again we will have to sit on the table to renegotiate the offer. Many such societies I have example. I am doing my research in the same subject. So I have a lot of examples with housing societies named. You know how they are misled or knowingly or unknowingly they have done the mistake or error, whatever you say. So these kind of things is the responsibility of a PMC. PMC should look after all these technicalities of the data collection. These three items are of your plot. Now let us come to the physical, your individual carpet areas. Approved existing building plans. Now the first thing, every society whenever we go, they will tell, you will measure the flat, you will measure my flat. We will not measure your flat. This is always my standard reply. We never want to measure any flat. The reason, for example, if building collapses, today building collapsed, and I I want to claim my area. How can I claim? I just cannot invite anyone to measure that area when the building is no more. So what is the authenticate document to certify the areas? It is only approved building plan copy. I have seen lot of fights taking place in housing societies where they keep fighting. I am using 1000 square feet, you are giving me 900, but in the approved plan it is 900. That is why we are giving 900. No, I am using 1000. मेरे को इतना ही चाहिए, मैं कोर्ट में जाऊंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगा. So all these problems arises, when they are not tackled at the initial stage. Then we need to have DPTP remarks. DPTP remarks is for the reservation, whether you have any reservation in your plot or not, to understand that. Individual members carpet area. Individual members carpet area we will come to know from approved plan copy. See, if you don't have approved plan copy, there are many such societies where approved plan is not गायब है, हमारे पास है ही नहीं. In that case, what to do? In that case, you will have to either go by assessment record. अभी सबके पास नया assessment record आया हुआ है. Either you have to go by that, or then अगर
assessment record also wrong they have sent us.
So you will have to ask that guy, bring him on the site and get it rectified. See, this is India. After all, so you have to understand how things work. See, question answer we will take afterwards. It is a very right question she has raised. In such cases, in such extreme cases where your approved plan is not available and the assessment record is giving, the information which is just not there. So in that case, what to do? In that case, you are forced to take physical areas, physical measurement. So once we have all the areas, see, two areas are most important for your redevelopment. One is your approved plan, your individual carpet areas and your plot areas. Many times I have seen members are getting confused. What is this area, what is that area? Plot area is governed by different departments, city survey department, and the building area is governed by BMC. So people generally often they get confused. So plot area is your different area and consumed built up area is a different area. And on these two areas your entire project's viability depends. How much is your plot area and how much are you consuming on that said plot. I have seen different societies where on 1000 square meter they are even 1600. So you will see a lot of over-consumed projects or under-consumed projects or variety of projects you will see.